In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. This is the fastest way to get to the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the official website. Make sure you're selecting the right result so you end up on the proper sign-in page and not on a third-party site. When the site opens, go ahead and sign into your account. After you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is where you can access and manage your documents. From here, open the PDF that you want to work on. If you already have the file in your recent documents, this part should be quick. Just click the document and wait for it to load fully in the editor before moving on. Once your PDF is open, look at the top toolbar. You'll see a variety of editing and annotation tools there. Find the highlight tool, which is usually shown as a marker pen icon, and click it. This tool is specifically designed to place a transparent color layer over text so the words remain readable while still standing out clearly. After selecting the highlight tool, choose the color you want to use. To do that, click the color square icon next to the tool. This lets you pick your preferred highlight color. Choosing a color can be useful if you want to organize information visually, like using one color for important details and another for sections you want to review later. Now you're ready to highlight. Move your cursor over the text you want to mark, then click and drag directly across the words. Try to drag carefully and smoothly so you cover only the exact text you want highlighted. This helps keep your document neat and easy to read. When you release your mouse, DocHub will apply the highlight automatically. You'll see a transparent colored layer appear over the selected text. That transparency is helpful because it makes the text stand out without blocking it. And that's all it takes to highlight text in DocHub. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy, especially if you're reviewing contracts, forms, notes, or any PDF that needs clear visual emphasis.